we'll guide you through how to make a background transparent in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape and load your image by going to File and clicking on Open. Once your image is loaded, you need to make sure it is selected, so click on it if it isn't already highlighted. Now navigate to the Object menu at the top and select the Fill and Stroke option. This will open a panel on the right side of your screen. In the Fill tab, you'll see different types of fill options. You need to make sure that your image does not have a background fill. For this, click on the X icon, which stands for no paint. Next, switch to the Stroke Paint tab to ensure that any outlines are set to your desired transparency. If you want to remove the stroke as well, select the X icon here too. Once the fill and stroke are set, go to the File menu and click on Export PNG Image. This is crucial because only PNG format supports transparency. In the Export dialog, make sure to choose the selection option under Export Area. This ensures that only the image without the background is exported. Now choose your desired file location and name, then click on Export. Your image should now be saved with a transparent background. You can verify this by opening the image in any photo viewer that supports transparency, where the background should appear checkered or invisible. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.